Hi, my name is Dr. Rafael Hernandez, and I'd like to welcome you to this short series of tutorials on learning LibPD for Android. In this series, I'll guide you through the process of creating a simple Android app that uses LibPD for its sound engine. The app we'll be creating will feature a single UI element, a switch. This switch will toggle on and off a sine wave that is generated via a pure data patch that is loaded into LibPD. In creating this simple app, we'll take a look at how to clone the LibPD repository from GitHub, incorporate it into an Android Studio project, set up our pure data patch so that our app can interface with LibPD, and then finish connecting our application to our pure data patch so that we can deploy and test it to a device. There are a few things you're going to need before you can get started. One is an internet connection. The LibPD repository is hosted on GitHub, and in order for us to clone it, we'll need to connect to GitHub and then download it to our computer. Next, you're going to need Pure Data Vanilla. Pure Data Vanilla can be downloaded from puredata.info. It's important to note that LibPD uses Pure Data Vanilla, not Pure Data Extended. So if you're using Pure Data Extended, some of the objects that you use may not be available with LibPD. As we're developing for Android, you can develop on a Windows, Mac, or Linux machine. I'll be using a Mac running OS X Yosemite. Lastly, if you want to deploy your app to a device, you'll need an Android device. While this series of tutorials is focused on an introduction to LibPD, it isn't an introductory title to Pure Data or Java. I'm assuming that you know how to create a Pure Data patch, you know how to patch objects in Pure Data, and you know how to get the basics of audio going in Pure Data. As well, I'm expecting that you have at least played around a little bit with Java or have some experience in a C-based language. I know you're itching to get started, and so am I. Let's get started with learning LibPD for Android. If you haven't already, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel.